This will be the last blast. We've got yet another round of active weather heading our way, and we're generally talking about scattered showers and storms. And this is the driver. It's a frontal boundary that's still stalled to our west, but is eventually going to start to pick up some speed. We'll get this pattern shift in here, and we'll have a cold front actually cut through the Commonwealth, probably not until late tonight, early tomorrow morning. And as it does so, it'll be the catalyst behind additional scattered shower and storm formation. So get ready for that. That happens over the next 24 hours, and we are going to be in for a warm and muggy day, and there are showers out there this morning, so not a whole lot of sunshine. Early on, some lingering showers on the Max Track Live, and on the move, you can see the few showers and storms that we did track overnight. So we had pretty good soaker just to the south across 75 around Richmond, south of Richmond, and now tracking east. And we've just got these lingering showers hanging in here this morning. So we got that to deal with this morning. This will gradually diminish. And then by later on today, that frontal boundary that's still way off to the west makes a run at us. And after a break, we'll likely see additional development this evening and into tomorrow morning. It'll start to finally fade. So we've had rainfall totals very much on the light end, a few hundreds to a few tenths of an inch. Higher amounts where we've had some of those more persistent showers and we don't have an actual gauge. And if you look at the 3-day rainfall totals, these are measured. This is not radar estimates. Lincoln County's had over 4 inches of rain in the last 3 days. Boyle County, almost 4, just around 3 3¾ I should say. Over 3.5 in Mercer. And even Fayette County, we haven't had as many direct hits. We've had over 1 inch of rain. Rowan County, almost 2 inches. So we've been pretty wet. Slight risk for severe storms northeast today. We are under that marginal risk for a 3rd day in a row. And like we've seen, some of these storms may be strong enough to give us some brief damaging wind gusts. That should be fairly limited, though. We'll also see a chance for some heavy rain, so watch out for that. That's the morning round fading. Here comes your evening round, scattered showers and storms. That's around 8 o'clock tonight. All this gradually working its way southeast overnight as our frontal boundary fades through, and then it's out of here. And then this big high builds in for the rest of the weekend into the weekend, and then we start to see the heat and the humidity both spiking. And it will be muggy today. If you look at the dew point, we're in the 70s for the dew point later on. That's some pretty steamy stuff. You look at the legend there, you're firmly in the orange, which is an indication of some uncomfortable air due to the higher humidity. That cold front tonight that sparks the showers and storms also drops the humidity tomorrow. It'll still be a little on the muggy side, but we're back in a little more comfortable range. That changes again later in the weekend as that high translates east and the humidity starts to rise again. So by Saturday, we're pushing 70. By Sunday, we are right smack back in the mid-70s for that dew point. When you combine that with an actual air temperature in the low 90s, this is what it could feel like by the end of the weekend. The heat index, triple-digit heat indices, a possibility by the end of the weekend. So it's about to get really steamy around here. It's 70 degrees now, and we've got mostly cloudy skies, some showers hanging around. Here's your 8-day forecast. We will see, again, those showers and storms firing this evening. A beautiful day Thursday, low to mid-80s. The humidity briefly cut. The heat, the humidity both climbing, and again, a pretty sultry end to the weekend. Next chance for showers and storms, Claire, we're going to try to get going toward the middle of next week.